Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save time by editing multiple picture at one. So this is the batch mode. Tap on batch, and then you can choose the photo from album, for example. Then tap the photos you like. So for example, these photos. And just wait until each of the photos is done removing the background. And so if you want to use the recently used, you can just tap there, or if not, you can just edit one picture, but it will apply to all of the other pictures there. So for example, I'm gonna add text and then write hello. Then once you're done, tap done on the top right corner, and just adjust your writing, and tap next again, and so you can just go back, and then it says, would you like to apply these changes to the whole batch? Tap apply to all, and then make sure you have the Pro app, so this feature is accessible. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.